In this video, I'll show you how to use the POS system. I'll be covering how to clock in, how to start a tab, how to ring in drinks, how to add drinks to a tab, how to close out a tab, how to adjust your tips, and finally, how to clock out. If you're looking to get hands-on training with the POS system and you want to follow along as I go through the steps, then I recommend you download the POS System Practice Software from nightlifebartenders.com. Alright, with all that said, let's begin. Alright, here we are in the POS System software, and the first thing you're going to do when you enter your bartending shift is clock in. So normally your manager will give you a PIN number, but in this case we'll just use the trainee PIN. And then once you enter that, you'll have access to the POS system and the drink menu. So first we'll start a tab by entering some drinks. So let's go ahead and add some beers. Let's add some wine and some hard liquor. We'll do a tequila Patron on the rocks. And then once you have your drinks all inputted, then you can select Save Tab to save the tab. And then some options will pop up where you can enter the name manually, or you can swipe their card and their name will enter automatically. So from there, hit Save Tab to save the tab, and you can see our tabs have been updated with the new tab. So to reopen that tab, select it, and then it'll reopen. And if you want to add another round, let's say we'll do a full round of all the drinks they ordered earlier, we'll select them here, and then hit Repeat, and then those drinks will repeat. And then we could save the tab again by hitting Save Tab, and then you can see that the tab had been updated. So that's how you add more drinks to a tab. So in order to close this tab out, we'll select the tab, and we'll either take cash from the customer or charge the customer with their credit card. So in this case, we'll charge with the card. So after that is done, then the customer is closed out, and we can check out the Adjust Tips tab, where we'll see the closed out tab. So let's select that, and now we can enter the tips that we got from that credit card. So the customer is going to sign the receipt and write down their tips that they want to give you. So when you get that receipt, then later on you can enter them into the system to save them. So we'll do that. And once you're done with that, you can select the Shift Report tab to see your now adjusted tips. And also in the shift report, you'll see other relevant data such as the sales you made for that shift. So once you're done checking that out, go ahead and clock out, and we'll enter the PIN from earlier. And that's how you use the POS system.